Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do start and stop of this Delta VFD by using two push button, start and stop. So now I'm going to show you how to wear. As you see here, I've connected three wires. One of them is coming from common of Delta VFD, and here I am doing jumper bar connected between stop push button and start push button. Here from output here I connected to the start MI1, and this is connected to the MI3 for latching. If I press my hand or if I press this push button, starting push button, and I take my hand, the load is still starting. So now I'm going to show you how to connect. As you see, this wire, red one, is going to the DCM. Here, this is going to the MI1. MI1 for starting. And the middle one is going to the MI3 for latching. Okay, now I open the source. Our VFD now is ready to start. So I press here for starting. As you see, our load now is starting. So if I press here, stop, our load is stopping. As you see, it's counting time until now our load is stopped. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.